Hey everyone, Austin from Integrail here. Welcome back to another episode. In our previous videos, we've laid in the groundwork for building powerful agents. We've learned how to create a basic agent, enhance it with the search capabilities. We've gone over our benchmarking tool. We've added text to image generation. And last video, we went over how to add text to speech integration into your agents. Today, we're diving into advanced prompting techniques. Get even more control and precision from our LLM nodes within our Agentic AI workflows. Let's jump right in. Starting from our familiar home screen, let's open up our Better Than ChatGPT agent in the bottom right-hand corner. On the canvas, you will see the previous nodes that we've created in the past videos. Today, we're going to focus on the brain of my agent node, or basically any LLM node. So let's go ahead and open the brain of my agent node. In previous episodes, we've covered the basics of system prompts, but today we're going to explore a couple of advanced techniques that you can use when crafting your own system prompts to really level up your agent's responses. Okay, so let's start with the concept of role prompting. Role prompting is like giving your LLM a specific persona or expertise to work from. So instead of just saying, answer the user's question, we can tell it things like, you are an expert marketing consultant, or you are a professional children's author. This helps the LLM focus its responses and tailor them to a specific domain. So in our Better Than ChatGPT node, let's look into our system prompt. And let's modify it to include a role. For example, you could write something like, you're a helpful, concise, and expert AI assistant, specialized in summarizing complex information. Your goal is to provide accurate and brief summaries to the user. And by adding this role, we are guiding the LLM to respond as a specific type of expert, which can dramatically improve the quality and the relevance of your output. So let's talk about another powerful technique. This is called few-shot prompting. Few-shot prompting involves giving the LLM examples of the kind of output that you expect. This is incredibly useful when you want the LLM to follow a specific format or style. So let's go ahead and add a few examples to our system prompt. We can show the LLM how we want summaries to be formatted. For instance, we could add, here's an example of how to summarize the information. When the user inputs, the company's quarterly report showed a significant increase in profits due to successful product launches and cost-cutting measures. Your summary will be, increased profits this quarter are attributed to successful product launches and cost reductions. So by providing these examples, we are showing the LLM exactly what kind of summaries we are looking for. The LLM will then try to mimic this style and format in its responses. This is particularly helpful when you know that your client or your boss likes the information in a certain format. This combination of role prompting and few-shot prompting gives you a lot more control over your LLM node. And of course, this is a good time to go ahead and save your work. Okay, so now let's test our advanced prompting techniques. In the agent input node, let's enter a more complex request, something like, summarize this article and tell me the 5 most important aspects talked about. Let's use the article named Artificial Intelligence Transform the Future of Business and Lead with Trust from PwC, and also paste that into your text right below your user prompt. So time for the moment of truth. Let's test our agent. With our advanced prompting in place, you should now receive a concise and expert level summary of this article, formatted in the style of our examples. Experiment with different roles and examples to fine-tune your agent's performance even further. And there you have it. You've just unlocked the power of using advanced prompting techniques to create more intelligent and effective AI agents. In the next video, we will be going over how we can ultimately combine multiple agents to truly show the power of agentic AI workflows. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI development tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.